Science 14, Unit A, Chapter 1, Section 1.3, Chemistry at Home. We'll start off with chemicals in the cupboard. Chemicals for cleaning can often be found in your kitchen, bathroom, and laundry room. Cleaners usually contain reactive substances that start chemical reactions that break down dirt and make cleaning less difficult. Hazardous household product symbols, HHPS, are used on product labels to indicate hazards, and we have 4 of those that, whether it's poisonous, flammable, corrosive, or explosive. I got those from greenventure.ca. Drain cleaners, for example, often contain highly corrosive substances such as sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a base. It helps clean clogged drains by breaking down materials, proteins and fats mostly, in the drain. Heat is given off, which helps to melt the grease and unclog the drain. Sodium hydroxide is also used in oven cleaner. Acetone is another of these chemicals. It's found in nail polish remover. Methanol is a paint solvent. Bleach contains chlorine that helps to kill organisms. Hydrogen peroxide, when poured on a cut, will foam, and basically what happens, hydrogen peroxide is H2O2, breaks down into water and oxygen, and the foaming helps remove small particles that could cause infection. It's also there's also a bacteria killing part of that, which is basically why we use hydrogen peroxide. Chemistry in cooking. Knowledge of chemistry is useful to chefs, bakers, and cooks, because knowing how ingredients react allows them to control chemical reactions. For example, yeast is a single-celled organism that converts carbohydrates into carbon dioxide and alcohol. The carbon dioxide, which is CO2, the carbon dioxide bubbles are what make baked goods rise. Vinegar and baking soda will also produce carbon dioxide gas. That should be a G there. I'm not sure why it came up that way. But this mixture is sometimes also used to make baked goods rise. Sponge toffee, for example, is a mixture of vinegar, baking soda, and sugar, and it sort of gets all those nice bubbles in it. Stainless steel kitchen utensils are often used instead of aluminum ones because the acids in foods can react with aluminum to produce hydrogen gas, which corrodes the utensils. The inside of soft drink cans don't react with the acid in the pop because the aluminum in the can has actually been coated with a very thin polymer, plastic polymer, that is. It prevents the pop, or soda if you live more south of here, from coming into contact with the aluminum. And that's what you need to know about section 1.3.